Cold open. Hello there, folks. Ever wonder how to get your images noticed online? It's all about SEO, or search engine optimization. Now, SEO isn't just for words on a page. It's for images too. When you've got an image, you want to give it a file name that tells search engines what it's about. Think about it like naming a new pet. You wouldn't call your dog IMG_1234, would you? Of course not. You'd give it a name that suits its personality and looks. Same goes for your images. You want to use keywords that match the content of your image and the search terms people might use. Don't forget the alt text. This is a brief description of the image that search engines use to understand the content. It's also crucial for visually impaired users, so make sure it's accurate and descriptive. Now remember, don't go stuffing your file names and alt text with keywords. Keep it natural, just like a good Southern sweet tea. Lastly, keep your images the right size. Large files slow down your page, and nobody likes a slow page, darling. And there you have it, SEO for images in a nutshell. Now go on and get those images noticed.